The Selvage Jeans sewing tutorial. This is the slow version, part 4, the back. Look for the link to the fast version. Our front is complete. Now for the back. The first task is to prepare and sew on the back pockets. The position is marked with these dots. As with the coin pocket, we have a double fold at the top. Mark the fold with chalk. If you would like to add a logo to your pockets, do it at this stage. Press the double fold, ready for top stitching. I love this colour combination. This lovely contrast is the feature of selvage denim. I wonder who thought of it. Now to turn in the remaining sides. I could press the edges and machine. This time I'm pinning and basting. I feel this gives me more control to tuck in the corners. Corners are tucked in, keeping raw edges out of sight. The back pockets are ready to be sewn on. Place the pockets in position. Pin securely. We will double top stitch all round. At the corners we'll stitch a little angled shape. That will lock in the raw edge at the corner. So start with an angle as just described. The layers are very thick here, so use the stitch compensation tool. You can do something more fancy at the corners to make these jeans your own. So that is 2 back pockets sewn in position. The next task is to attach the back yoke. Make sure you are joining the notched edges and that the longer edges are in the centre. Pin matching the notches. These are opposing curves, so be sure to keep the edges together all the way along. So machine this edge. Neaten the edges and press the seams down. Next we will double top stitch the seam. That's looking great. Next, we join the back seam. Match the notches and the yoke seam. Machine from the waist to the crotch. And then neaten. Press the seam towards the left, which is the right back. Now we will double top stitch the back seam. Hold the two halves firmly to avoid getting tucks. It's very thick here, so use the stitch compensation tool. It's easy to break a needle if the foot is not kept level. Keep pulling the seam well apart. It's not ideal to use a domestic sewing machine on this very thick denim. But if you take your time and follow these techniques, you will achieve good results. So finish the back with the second row of top stitching. The back is complete. Considering how difficult it is to sew this ultra thick denim, I'm very happy with the results so far. In part 5 we will join the fronts to the backs. See the links to all the episodes. If you haven't already done so, check out the pattern. You will find it at angelakane.com/sewing-jeans. Thank you for watching this extended tutorial for sewing selvage jeans.